This is how to get your JumpTask private key. In this video, I will walk you through how to find your JumpTask private key on your JumpTask mobile app, and I will also show you using the JumpTask website via your desktop. Why do you need your private key? You will need your JumpTask private key to link your Onigain to JumpTask. For you to be able to move your earnings from Onigain to JumpTask wallet, that is, you switch back like this to JumpTask, you need your JumpTask private key. To know where your JumpTask private key is inside Onigain, you come here, you click your profile setting. You can see this is my JumpTask ID, which is the same thing as my JumpTask private key. This is what makes it possible for me to collect my Onigain earnings inside JumpTask wallet. For you to get your private key on JumpTask using your desktop computer, that is via JumpTask website, you click here. You can see this is my JumpTask private key. You can copy it here. Another place where you can find your JumpTask private key is here. This gear, you click it. You can see this is my JumpTask private key. It is also called account ID. To get your JumpTask private key using your JumpTask app, you tap here. You can see this is my account ID, which is my JumpTask private key. You tap here to copy it. Tap it. You see it is copied. Another place you can access your JumpTask private key on your JumpTask app, you come here to this gear, you tap it. You can see this is my JumpTask private key. This is another way to get the JumpTask private key using mobile app. So you can now find and get your JumpTask private key using your desktop computer and mobile app. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.